Rec, how did you feel when you knew you would be featuring Big Wiz? Machala. Eleni, I didn't even know. I didn't even know how to put Wiz on the song, to be honest. Like, I had someone in mind before to put on that song. Then something happened. I think P Prime played it for Wiz.
Just now, ASAKE is live on Instagram telling the people how he and Wiz got to produce the MMS song together. MMS, which is an acronym that stands for Mr. Money Song. So he and Wizkid literally made one of the best songs, that is the most trending song in Nigeria right now at the moment. Watch and subscribe.
And Wiz was like, oh, I fuck with this song, and Wiz jumped on it. And I was like, Alhamdulillah. Big shout out to Machala. #1 song in the country. What made you go with Asha? I think the idea behind Asha is, can you help me bring the volume down?